Welcome to C's Animal Corner. Here are funny, cute and interesting animal videos I found online. This dog seems quite happy about his new wheels. Here we have a cat politely asking for pets. This person managed to get some stunning footage of a fox. A duck ran in a marathon and even got itself a medal.
Go, 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 go! I watched the duck run a race and cross the finish line.
This dog seems to have been accepted as a surrogate mother for this kitten. This is an older clip of a family walking through a forest and noticing there's a puma nearby. Next we have a very happy okapi. This bunny likes to lick their owner. Here's a small compilation of birds making interesting noises. If you want to see the whole thing, follow the link in the description. This goat really loves their owner. A bird family working together to hatch their eggs. It seems this kitten chose their owner and not the other way around. This lamb fell asleep while being scratched. A little foal imitating a soccer player. This cat likes talking.
Oh yeah? What else? Oh really? Yeah? Wow, Casey.
And lastly, a budgie that is very comfortable around its owner. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you soon.